10 dishes you must try in England. You think you know English food until that first real bite hits. It's warm, rich, deeply comforting, and nothing like the stereotypes. This isn't bland. This is tradition, flavour, and generations of recipes quietly perfected over time. From crispy seaside favourites to slow-cooked classics that melt on your tongue, these dishes don't just fill you up, they stay with you. And somewhere on this list is the one meal that changes everything you thought you knew. Stay with me, because number 1 isn't just iconic, it's unforgettable. 10. Toad in the hole. It sounds unusual, but the first bite is pure comfort. Juicy sausages are baked inside a rich Yorkshire pudding batter that rises around them, turning golden and slightly crisp on top while staying soft underneath. Then comes the gravy, thick, savoury, poured generously over everything. The key here is balance. The sausages bring a deep, seasoned flavour, while the batter acts like a soft, airy cushion that soaks up every drop of gravy. It's baked together in one dish, so everything blends perfectly. This is classic English home cooking. Simple ingredients, cooked in a way that delivers maximum comfort. And just when you think simple food can't surprise you, the next dish proves otherwise. 9. Cornish pasty. This is more than just a pastry. It's a full meal sealed inside a golden crust. Traditionally filled with beef, potatoes, swede, and onions, the Cornish pasty is baked until the outside is firm, while the inside stays tender and flavourful. Each bite gives you something different: the softness of the vegetables, the richness of the meat, and the slight crunch of the pastry. Historically, it was designed as a practical meal for workers, which is why it's so filling and self-contained. Today, it's still one of the most recognisable foods in England, especially in Cornwall, where it has protected status. It's simple, portable, and deeply satisfying. But if you think that's all England does well, the next dish shows how simplicity can become something even more memorable. 8. Ploughman's lunch. At first glance, it almost looks too simple to impress. Bread, cheese, and pickle or chutney, sometimes with extras like ham, salad, or a boiled egg. But then you taste it, and everything clicks. The sharpness of English cheese like cheddar meets the crunch of fresh bread. Then comes the tangy kick of pickle or chutney, cutting through the richness perfectly. This dish is commonly served in pubs and is known for being light yet satisfying. It's not meant to overwhelm. It's meant to be enjoyed slowly. It's proof that English food doesn't need to be complicated to be memorable. But now, things start getting warmer, richer, and far more indulgent. 7. Bangers and mash. This is comfort food at its finest. Thick sausages, often pork-based and well-seasoned, sit on top of creamy mashed potatoes, finished with a rich onion gravy. The magic is in how everything works together. The mash is smooth and buttery. The sausages bring flavour and texture. The gravy ties it all into one satisfying bite. It's a dish you'll find across England, especially in pubs, because it's reliable, filling, and consistently good. There's nothing complicated about it, but that's exactly why it works so well. And now, we move to one of the most iconic dishes of all. 6. Fish and chips. Everyone's heard of it, but tasting it fresh is a completely different experience. A piece of white fish, usually cod or haddock, is coated in batter and fried until golden and crisp. Inside, the fish stays flaky and tender. The chips are thick cut, soft inside, with a light crisp on the outside. Add a sprinkle of salt and a splash of vinegar, and suddenly the flavours come alive. It's often enjoyed by the seaside or as a takeaway meal, traditionally wrapped in paper. Simple, yes, but when done right, it's one of the most satisfying meals you can have. And just when you think you've reached peak comfort, England goes even deeper. 5. Steak and kidney pie. This is where English cooking really leans into slow, rich flavour. Inside a golden pastry crust sits tender beef in a thick, savoury gravy, often combined with kidney in traditional versions, though many modern variations use only beef. The filling is slow cooked until soft and deeply flavourful. The pastry adds a crisp, buttery contrast that holds everything together. It's a dish that rewards patience. Every bite feels hearty and satisfying, with layers of flavour built over time. This isn't fast food, it's something you sit down and enjoy. And speaking of slow cooking, the next dish takes that idea even further. 4. Lancashire hotpot. This dish is all about time and simplicity working together. Lamb and onions are slow cooked beneath a layer of thinly sliced potatoes, which turn golden on top while absorbing all the flavour below. The result is incredibly tender meat, soft potatoes, and a rich, comforting depth that builds with every bite. It's not flashy, but it doesn't need to be. This is traditional Northern English cooking at its best. Every spoonful feels warm, filling, and deeply satisfying. But now, we shift gears into something sweet and unforgettable. 3. Sticky toffee pudding. This is the dessert that changes minds instantly. A soft sponge cake, often made with dates, is soaked in a rich toffee sauce and served warm, usually with custard, cream, or ice cream. The texture is incredibly moist, almost melting as you eat it. The sweetness is deep and comforting rather than sharp. It's indulgent, yes, but in a way that feels balanced and satisfying. This is one of the most loved desserts in England for a reason. But we're not done yet, because the next dish is an experience from start to finish. 2. Full English breakfast. This isn't just breakfast, it's a full plate built to keep you going. A traditional full English breakfast typically includes sausages, bacon, eggs, baked beans, mushrooms, grilled tomatoes, and toast. Some versions also include black pudding, depending on preference and region. Each component adds something different. The eggs bring richness. The beans add warmth. The bacon and sausages deliver savoury depth. It's hearty, filling, and meant to be enjoyed slowly. And while it's one of the most famous meals in England, there's still one dish that stands above the rest. 1. Sunday roast. This is the heart of English food culture. Roast meat, commonly beef, chicken, lamb, or pork, is served with crispy roast potatoes, vegetables, Yorkshire puddings, and gravy poured generously over everything. But it's not just about the food, it's about the tradition, the gathering, the experience of sitting down and sharing a meal that's been carefully prepared. The potatoes are crisp on the outside and soft inside. The meat is tender and flavourful. The gravy brings it all together. For many people, this is the dish that defines English cuisine. It's not just a meal, it's a moment, and once you've had it, everything you thought about English food starts to change. English food isn't about showing off, it's about getting it right. These dishes prove that comfort, flavour, and tradition can create something unforgettable. And once you've tasted them, you don't just understand English cuisine, you feel it. If this surprised you, there's so much more waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.